Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. It's your girl Michelle. If you're new to my channel, why not subscribe? I promise you it's a vibe. If you rock with me, I rock with you, which means we locked in for life, and that's on period. As you guys can tell by the title, I am going to be doing a bathroom makeover. It's that time, y'all. My bathroom looks a whole hot mess, and it shouldn't look like that because of the size of it. I currently have a very tiny bathroom, which has its cons because I don't have enough room space in here. But you know I make it do what it do. Things are all over the place and whatever. You guys are gonna see that shortly. But I do want to let you guys know that I did most of my shopping at the Dollar Tree. I picked up so many different finds there. It's just unbelievable. I just think to myself, all this time I've been spending all this extra money at Walmart, but your girl been thinking wiser. The only thing that I did get off of Amazon is the bath mat, the shower curtain, and the rings that come with it. They obviously didn't have that at Dollar Tree, so your girl just ordered it. You guys know what we're doing today. Hopefully make it look a little better than what it does. I hope you guys enjoy this. If you do, give it a thumbs up. Let's get started.